Ako yung mababa. Game. Uy, yung t-shirt, ha? Tatalbok ka saan? Rachel, lipat-lipat mo nga doon, ha? Lipat-lipat mo.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going up something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on a bleachers. Living by the day when you wake up and find out what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you when you're wrong. Why can't you see you belong with me? Hindi ko alam lyrics eh. Baby, you belong with me. Game lang, tuloy lang, hindi pwede. Ano na sunod doon? If you're not the one.
Ambisyosa ka talaga.
You're not the one, peging chords. If you're not the one. Ay, if you're not the one. Walk in the street. Sayang. Walk in the street. Walk. Oh,
Yun, baka yun.
in the streets, you and your word out jeans. I can't help thinking. They go up and that's the morning clock. To myself, hey, is it there? Life is so down. I haven't feel it. Well, she brought you down. Say you're fine and I'm better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on a bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find out what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could say that I'm the one who understands you've been here all along. Why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all the time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. I remember,
Tutuwa ka pa, alam mo.
Hindi ko alam.
Tayo.
Yan na.
Hoy, Adi yan!
Oh, I remember you. Adi, wait lang, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I remember you.
Binabati ko yung mga magulang ko, yung papa ko, yung mama ko, sa bahay namin.
Yung favorite songs, and you tell me about it. I know we're think I know it's perfect me.
Hindi pala naka-record, no?
Ka-record?
See that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all along, so why can't you see?
Nakita ko yung isa
with me.
Ang ganda, no?
Standing by and waiting at your back door all the time.
Pag-lyric pala yung sinasabi ko.
Baby, you belong with me. You belong with me.
Nalupat ata. Ano to?
Have you ever thought just maybe you belong with me?
Alam, yung ako na naririnig yung sinasabi ko.
Oh, let me see.